Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming versions and accounts because mismatches will block saves. Plug a FAT32 USB drive into the source system. Navigate to Save Data Management. Copy the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm save to USB. Do not overwrite yet. Once copied, verify the file size and timestamp to ensure it transferred. Make a second copy on your computer if possible, so you have a fallback. This reduces risk. Backups are essential before you continue to the transfer step. With the USB in the target machine, sign into the matching profile because saves are profile locked. Open Save Data Management and copy the file from USB to system storage. If prompted, choose to replace or keep both. Pick Replace only when you're sure. Make sure the game is not running. Background sessions cause conflicts. After copying, start the game and check load slots. If the save doesn't appear, return to the previous step and confirm the file name and checksum match. Now launch Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm and load the transferred save to confirm progress. If the save fails to load, pause and verify region and game version compatibility, because those are common blockers. Make sure you use the same profile. Trophies and ownership can lock saves. If corruption occurred, delete the bad copy, restore the USB backup, and repeat the transfer. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep an untouched USB backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.